Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make these moonstone and hexagonal brass earrings. These moonstone are super cool because they have an AB finish on it, which stands for Aurora Borealis. And if you can see they have that color on there when you look at them in the light. They're pretty awesome. So to make these earrings, we're going to start at the bottom and work our way to the top. So we're going to start with these ball pins, and we're going to put our bead on the ball pin, and then we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to put them right up against the bead, and we're going to bend that wire at a 90-degree angle, and then we're going to take our pliers and put them at the top and make a little loop, and then we're going to attach the smaller of the hexagons to the bottom. You could also switch it and do it the other way and do the bigger ones at the bottom and the smaller ones at the top if you prefer. But we're going to hold it at the loop, and then we're going to take the wire and wrap it back around until it touches the bead. And we're just going to take our nippers and cut that off. And then we're going to attach the other hexagons with jump rings. So to open those up, we're going to hold it with a chain nose plier on one side, and then we're going to take our needle nose pliers and just gently twist them open. And then we can attach the bottom one and the middle one. And then we're going to gently put them back together. And we're going to take another jump ring and we're going to twist it open. Twist it back into place. And then all we have to do is add our ear wire, put it on there, and gently close that into place. And then you'll do the same thing with the other side to make your pair. Happy beading!